What's up, you guys? Welcome to Jimbo's Slice Workshop. We got something cool and exciting from Metabo for you guys today. Not to be confused with the Metabo HBT, which was formerly Hitachi Power Tools. So again, if you have a Metabo HBT battery, it will not fit in the German Metabo brand. So talking about this impact driver, model SSD 18 LTX 200BL. This is their brushless impact driver, which is based off the Hitachi triple impact driver technology of having a fluted impact mechanism. So what that's going to do, that's going to give you additional pulse per minute. It gives you a little bit more power. So this is rated at 200 Newton meters, which is around 1,750 inch-pounds of torque. With that being said, it's right in the middle of the higher-end impacts, Makita, Milwaukee. They're all in that 1,700-1,800 range of torque. So it's a good powered impact driver. As you can see, it handles lags, it can drill holes. Personally, for higher torque options, you get a little bit of feedback back to you where the tool tends to wobble. I was not a fan of that, so don't recommend drilling. And if you're going to do lags, a lot of times you want to step into an impact wrench. It may not be as quick, but it's going to be easier on the larger motor tool. So this runs in their Light HD platform. This is a Slim 4.0 with a new rubber over molding. They also have a 5.5 and an 8.0 out now in the newest technology. So this tool has a variable speed dial. The first setting is the APS or self-tapping mode, which is going to allow you to set self-drilling screws into sheet metal and attach it to the vacuum material. One thing I noticed is once you pierce that sheet metal, that it tends to keep your RPMs a little bit too high, so you can still overdrive your fastener, so be careful with that. I did not snap any, but I was using a little bit larger of a fastener as well. You also have speeds 1 through 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. On speed 1, you're going to get low RPMs and low torque, as we saw at the beginning of this video, and as you dial that in, you get more and more power, going up to 10. But for full power, to take advantage of the 4,000 impacts per minute, and the 2,900 RPMs, you're going to have to put that on P mode, which is its 12th and most powerful mode. So that you're going to have full torque and full RPMs. It's a good impact driver, guys. It's comfortable to use. You got over molding on both sides of the grip. It doesn't rattle in your hand too much, and that battery sits under very, very snug. I can't praise the speed selector enough. Having that dial, you can get exactly whatever project you're working on or whatever task is at hand. You can get that speed and torque almost exactly where you want it without having to deal with Bluetooth. Now, another thing that I was really fond of on this tool is the belt clip here. It's a nice wide beef belt clip. It's got a good opening, really nice. A lot of times tools you get this really finicky, tiny belt clip that doesn't do much for the tool itself. So moving on up, you got a nice trigger here. You can fit 2 fingers on it if you have to, for whatever your grip preferences is. But it's got a slow start or a soft start, so it takes a couple seconds to get to that full RPM. So you're not going to torque in your hand, especially if you're driving overhand and such like that. You're not going to get that twisting torque action. So size and weight, it's a little bit on the larger and a little bit on the heavier side than what's out there now, the new Milwaukee, the new Makita. Probably on par with size with the Walt 886. So the LEDs are not below the chuck, they're down in the base of the tool. It's a dual upward light. You can't turn it off, you can't dim it, you can't make it brighter, but they're nice LEDs. So let's talk about the chuck. This is the only downfall of this tool, performance-wise, that I can really pick on Metabo about is the lack of a one-handed feature here. So you have to pull the collar forward, push the bit back in, and then allow it to lock in place. Like on my Makita and the Milwaukee I had, it was a one-handed insert, so you insert the bit, and it automatically lashes in place. Can't do that on here. Now this tool does have a dual needle bearing chuck, so what that does is it puts pressure on both sides of the bit to keep it from wandering or wobbling. However, it doesn't work so well on this chuck here. As you can see the video below, I took a 12-inch bit, and you can see you get a lot of nasty wobble at the tip of the bit. Now, not everybody's going to use that large of an extension. I understand that. A lot of people stick within like the 2 to 4 inch range. But there are a lot of times you're going to need a 6 or an 8, and especially if you're doing the self-impacting mode, that wobble is not going to make this tool very user-friendly. mind when you're purchasing this. It is the only major issue that I dealt with this tool. Other than that, everything else is on point, fit and finish, speed selector, power, ergonomics, all great except for that chuck. So if Metabo, you're watching this video, take that into consideration and give us a better chuck, please, and thank you. Now just talking semantics with the tool itself, one thing I was a little bit disappointed in as well, the tool is not made in Germany, it's made in China. I was expecting a German-made tool, however it's not, it is from China. So pricing point, right now I can only find a kit price, it's $3.99 for the kit with the two 4.0s, a charger, and a hard case. So it's really not a bad deal if you think about it. Potentially a little bit on the higher side, you know, if it was like a $349 price point, that would be really nice, but these 4.0 batteries are not cheap. But the battery is going to land you in the CAS system, CAS, Cordless Alliance system. So over in Europe, they have a bunch of different manufacturers that make tools that accept Metabo batteries. Really nice to see, because you can get a lot of like Lafell, I think one is like Roethlisberger. They do a lot of plumbing stuff, and then Lafell does a lot of carpentry stuff. So you can get some high-end tools running one of the best batteries on it. So I would think Bear Tool over here, if they release that, it would be probably in the $200 price range. But the kit's not bad, and they did have a promo going at Acme Tools. Acme did provide this for us to use and review. At the time, there was a promo. You got a impact drill, you got a hammer drill with this. So two tool combo for $400. Really not a big deal. So I'll post details on that below. So check it out. That's all I really got for you guys today. If you have any comments or questions on the tool itself, comment below. We are working on getting some more content on this page. In addition to just tool videos, I'm hoping to post like small projects and whatnot to the YouTube channel. But make sure to get over on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff that doesn't make it to this page just because it's quick, short videos, and there's a lot of attention on Instagram right now as I'm beating down every video in the past. So get over there and follow me at Jingle Sucks Workshop on Instagram, where I post daily stuff that I'm working on in the shop, tools, little accessories that really aren't worth making a full video on. Get on Instagram and check it out. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. As always, hit like and subscribe, and give me a share if you don't mind. So that's all I got for you guys today.